Prevent handle wobble by tightening and testing the mounting in a deliberate sequence immediately after installation. Start by removing any temporary packaging or protective tape and inspect the handle for correct orientation and full contact with the door or drawer face. If the handle uses a through bolt and nut assembly, thread the nut by hand until firm, and then use the appropriate driver or wrench to bring it to a snug fit while holding the handle square. Avoid over-tightening because that can strip threads or distort the mounting surface. For screw-in mounts, use the correct length and head type of screw so it seats fully in the substrate without bottoming out early or pulling through. If the screw heads sit below the handle counterbore, the connection will never stabilize. Use light thread locker on metal-to-metal fasteners when the environment involves vibration, but choose a removable strength so future adjustments remain possible. After initial tightening, operate the handle through its full range of motion several times to let components seat, then retighten the nut or screw to the same snug torque level. Small shifts commonly occur as parts relax. If the substrate is soft, reinforce the mount with a hardened washer, a backing plate, or a short length of hardwood behind the mounting point to distribute load and prevent compression over time. 3 common mistakes are over-tightening and stripping threads, using incorrect fastener length or type, and failing to retest after initial bedding in. Over-tightening seems like a quick fix, but it damages threads and warps the handle, so loosen slightly and reapply a snug torque by feel or with a low torque driver. Using a screw that is too long or too short leads to a loose connection or a bottomed out screw that cannot draw the handle tight, so measure material thickness and select a fastener that leaves 1 to 2 full threads engaged in the receiving material or insert. Skipping the test cycle after installation ignores the natural settling of parts. Operate the handle repeatedly and then retighten to account for compression and small shifts in position. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects from small repairs to larger renovations, and we make it easy for homeowners to list needs and compare responses. Our discussion community helps people share real experiences, ask specific questions about fixes like handle wobble, and get practical advice, while contractors can find work and join conversations to showcase their expertise.